Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna answer a question about a $100 a day money-making system using Cash App. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're looking to make money with your Cash App. Now, I did a video a couple years ago, and it was about a system called the Automated Cash App System. In the video, I explained what the system was, and I told you how it can make you money. I even showed you, what you need to do to make money with this system. And I recently got a question. It was straight, it was direct, right? Super simple, and they say, hey, did this really work, bro? Right? Did this really work? And I respect that. You know what I'm saying? I do these videos. It's all good. You can comment, ask, whatever, right? If I see it, I'll respond to you. So I decided, this is a good question. So let me make a video about this. So does this system still work, considering that, I did this, and I think I did my first video in 2019 about the Automated Cash App system. And you should be happy to know this system still works. You still can make money with this system. And obviously, if you want to check it out for yourself, the link will be in the description, just like everybody else tell you. So the system is very, very simple, right? It's very simple. If you have a Cash App, which nowadays, like pretty much everybody has Cash App, right? So basically, all this system does is show you how to make money using different apps. All right, so that's what the system actually shows you, how to start making money using different simple apps, right? How to do like free signups and get referrals for referring people to different apps. All right, so that's what the system actually teaches you how to do. But on the I guess you want to call it the back end of it, once you pay $27 and get access to the system that teaches you how to make money using other apps, you actually have the resale rights to the system, right? So once you have the resale rights, you can now sell this system for $27 using your Cash App. So people will actually pay for this system with their Cash App. That's where this whole Automated Cash App system. So what you want to do is, once you get the system, first thing you need to do, buy the system. It's $27 one time, right? Once you pay for the system, you will get access. Once you get access to the program, you want to go in there and actually sign up, do what you need to do, and start earning money from these other apps, right? Learn how to make money with the other apps. Once you do that, now you actually prove to yourself like, oh, this system is legit. I actually can make money with this. Okay, let me promote it. Let me tell others about this system to show that it's the real deal, it's legit, and you're making money. You can promote this system on YouTube, right? Make YouTube videos about it. Do a review video on it, right? Do other videos, and that at the end of those videos, hey, let people know if you're trying to earn some easy extra money, check out this system, blah, blah, blah. You can promote it on your Facebook, right? And they actually show you in the system how to promote the system. They actually show you, for the $27, you get all that access, right? Promote it on Instagram. Now you could even promote it on TikTok. Yeah, this system probably could go crazy on TikTok, because when I originally made this video, TikTok wasn't even popping at the time. So now you have another promotion avenue to talk about this system, and in return making you a lot more $27 commissions. All right, so that is the system in a nutshell. So the only way this system really wouldn't work for you is if you got it right and you didn't use it. Now, to be completely real with you, the only way you're going to make the $27 commissions is if you actually promote the system. And it's nothing more than just like you would promote anything else. Promoting selling courses, selling stuff on Amazon, eBay, whatever you want. You got to promote it, right? But the system definitely works. It's legit. I've made money from it. And the idea is, $100 a day, just tell yourself, if I only sold 4 of these systems a day, that's over $100, right? So when you think about all the different ways you could promote it, like I said, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and whatever else, TikTok, like if you focus on those avenues, you can make a lot of $27 commissions, right? So if you're new to making money online and you're just getting started and you're like, oh, you're looking for opportunity, I would take this, right, and focus on this. Like, make this system work. Now, inside of it, the creator, Bones Jones, he has other opportunities inside of it, but you don't need them if you don't want to do that stuff. You can stick with the $27 commissions, reselling the program, and actually learn how to make money from other apps inside of it. So you have a chance to earn multiple streams of income with this Cash App system, guys. It's that straightforward. It's that easy. All right. So if you want to check it out and get started, link below. All you do is check it out. And the funny thing is, when you watch this video, right, go to the sales page. I didn't even know this, but the creator of this product actually put me in the video, right? I didn't even know it. I was like watching the sales page. I'm like, hey, this dude look familiar. It's your boy, right? So thanks, Bones Rodriguez, for putting me on your sales page. That's what's up. But anyway, check it out, guys. If you got any other questions, comment below. It's all good. But mainly, if you get this system and you make money, definitely come back and let other people know, like, yo, this is legit. I made money with it. Blah, 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 blah. All right. So that's the deal. All right. Be sure to comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.